Hello friends, welcome to my Cyber Predator channel. So guys, in today's video, I am going to suggest you top 5 best courses on Udemy platform which will be based on ethical hacking and cyber security. If you are a complete beginner, then these courses are for you. You will be learning lots of things along with theory plus practical. So guys, this video is completely for you. Do watch the video till end and let's get started. So guys, on number 5th position, we have website hacking, penetration testing and bug bounty hunting. So basically this course is for them who are interested in website hacking and bug bounty hunting. Basically, don't go on the title. It is a complete beginner course in which you will be learning from scratch from beginning to intermediate level. And trust me, this course is so price-worthy. The cost of this course is only 360 rupees, which is too low as expected to this course. So basically, you will be learning lots of things related to website hacking along with the automated tools and also its practicals with theories. So basically, the requirements for this course is nothing. Only you need is basic IT skills and a PC in which you can run your practicals. And the most important thing is the determination to learn a particular new thing or a practical. So this course is price worthy and you can take it if you are planning to do website hacking and bug bounty hunting. So guys, on the 4th position, we have learn ethical hacking beginner to advanced. So basically, this course will teach you the ethical hacking process from beginning to advanced level. So here are the topics which we'll be covering in this course. So you will be learning ethical hacking, Kali Linux operating system and its commands, footprinting process, scanning process, website penetration testing, wireless cracking, man in the middle attacks, system hacking, various Python tools, programming fundamentals, and the most important things while learning this course is writing our own penetration testing tools. So basically, you will be writing your own penetration tools like reverse shells, your own malwares, keyloggers, brute forcers. So these are the things you will be writing your own tools and developing and designing these tools by your own knowledge and by your own skills. So this course is too price worthy. You can take it as a bundle if you are planning to learn ethical hacking. So guys, on top third position, we have practical ethical hacking, the complete course. So guys, the creator of this course is Heath Adams. He is also known as the Cyber Mentor on YouTube platform. He has built a course with all the considerations and all the knowledge considerations. So basically the advantage part or the best part about this course is Active Directory part. It is an outstanding course and outstanding part to be learned if you are thinking to learn practical ethical hacking and beginner level ethical hacking. Many topics are covered in this platform. So guys, you will be experiencing the outstanding practicals through this video and you will be learning a lots of things and you will be taking a lots of knowledge through this course. So guys, on number second position, we have the complete ethical hacking course, beginner to advanced. So basically in this course, you will be getting everything which is required to get started in ethical hacking, like penetration testing setups, like setuping our environment or a complete Nmap scanning and complete enumeration process and complete ethical hacking processes like printing, scanning, enumeration, exploitation, and post exploitation. All these methods are covered in this course completely and in perfect solution. Also, you will be getting knowledge of various attacks like man in the middle attacks, brute forcing attacks, denial of service attack, and lastly, you will be creating your own tools like keyloggers, malwares, etc. So guys, this course is too long and too important if you are learning or pretending to learn ethical hacking. So guys, now it's time to reveal our number first position course, that is learn ethical hacking from scratch. So basically, this is an outstanding course for them who are learning or pretending to learn ethical hacking and cyber security from scratch and from beginning. So basically, this course is for them who don't have any prior knowledge of Linux operating system or don't have any prior knowledge of any programming knowledge. You will be treated as a complete beginner. Only the thing you need is basic IT skills and determination. So guys, you can check their syllabus. It's too outstanding and you will be taught from beginning and from scratch. So he has written that you will be taught from zero up to high intermediate level. So guys, you can take this course if you are thinking and planning to become a professional ethical hacker and professional cyber security expert. So guys, I hope you have got review on these courses and the list of best courses to learn ethical hacking. Guys, please like my video and subscribe to my channel, which will motivate me a lot. And thank you for watching my video. Thank you and goodbye.